Meanwhile, Minister Chuck is imploring the media to do more in publicizing cases where previously accused persons have been freed of the accusation. Minister Chuck says too often persons acquitted are left with the label and great difficulty in clearing their name.
It is easy to accuse, but if the person, is able to repudiate the charge, oftentimes people don't know. And it seems to me that when persons are acquitted, having been accused, the same exposure in terms of the charge that is given should also be done by the media.
Using the police as an example, he says in a majority of cases probed by Indicom, the accused are not found guilty.
1 in 20 of the matters investigated by Indicom of complaints against police officers, a recommendation is made for disciplinary action. And I've said to Indicom, when persons are acquitted, or should I say, when the complaint turns out to be misguided, it is something that they should expose in the media, especially if it came out in the media that an officer has been suspended or a complaint has been made against the officer.